Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share a simple but very important information about YouTube monetization that most of us are not familiar with or not aware of. When you talk of you being or your channel being demonetized on YouTube, we always think of copyright issues or foul languages being used on our videos. But there's this simple one that I had a conversation with a content creator on YouTube, and he shared a sad experience with me. So I thought that I should make this video and share this information to anybody that might fall into this trap in the future. As I was discussing with this content creator, he told me that he was unable to provide his PIN when his channel got monetized, and so because of he couldn't verify his address through the AdSense PIN that was sent to him, so his channel was demonetized. But that's not where the story ends. He was discouraged about this issue because how can he be uploading videos without getting something in return? So he left the channel just like that without uploading. So now, after several months, when he came back to check up on his channel, he discovered that his channel has also been totally demonetized. Initially, because he couldn't verify his AdSense, he couldn't join the YouTube partner program. All he needed was to just verify or to link his YouTube channel to a AdSense account, but he couldn't verify his AdSense account, so it was just hanging there. But what happened was that he didn't upload any video on his channel, and this took several months. And when he came back, he discovered that even the 4,000 watch time hours that he has gotten, that everything has been cleared. So now he has to start afresh to get the 4,000 watch time hours. So I know most of us don't know that something like this happens. When you reach the threshold, you'll be required to link your AdSense account or link an AdSense account to your YouTube channel. So if you're unable to do that, the threshold you have crossed will still be there, but you won't be monetized, as you won't receive revenue from the ads placed on your videos. So you'll be hanging there. But this time around, this channel owner or this content creator, he didn't keep uploading videos or posting on his channel. So after 6 months, his channel was totally removed. This time around, not the 4,000 hours he have already crossed, they now removed it, so he has to start afresh again. So many content creators don't know that they can easily be demonetized if they don't upload on their channel for about 6 months. So after that 6 months, if there's no activities on your channel, if your channel was monetized, it will be demonetized. And this demonetized is not that if you have already gotten that 4,000 watch time hours, it will be removed. So you have to start afresh to get the 4,000 watch time hours. So I just felt that I should let you guys know that if your channel is dormant for 6 months or above, your channel will be demonetized if it is already monetized. So if you have any issue with your AdSense account, while you are still trying to resolve your AdSense issue, keep on posting. Even though if you cannot make a video, just make a post in the community tab. That also is being counted as an activity on your channel. Or you can make shorts. You can make a YouTube short. And if you have the courage, you can also make a full long form video. So I just felt that someone needs to hear this. So please, if you know you are having issues with your channel, linking it to an AdSense account, don't just stop uploading. Even if you don't have that strength to upload, make sure that you post on your community tab. You can just post a personal thing, whatever thing you feel that you can use to keep your audience engaged. Post it while you are still trying to resolve your AdSense issue. So please give this video a thumbs up if this information was helpful or will be useful to you. Please give it a thumbs up, and also I would like you to share it to other content creators, especially the new ones on YouTube. If you have any community, you can share this video to them so that they will not fall into this mistake. After getting 4,000 hours, then you now lose it. It's quite painful. In a later video, I will explain why this content creator couldn't verify his address with AdSense pin and a way he can go or work around it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.